Hello friends, welcome back. This is Kuldeep from QA Cubicle. So today we are going to learn another important topic that are related with the Maven itself. So as the part of today's session, I will like to cover below 4 points. So the first one is the importance of the Maven Surefire plugin in the test cases execution. So as the part of this, we will see how we will integrate our Maven Surefire plugin with the testng.xml file. Second is the test cases execution using pom.xml file. Third point is the Maven commands, and in the fourth one we will see how we can execute our test cases with the help of Maven commands. Okay, so let's move. So test cases execution using suite XML files. So basically if we want to execute the test cases that are the part of our testng.xml file, so in that case you need to go to this URL and from there copy this code. Okay, so you can see like it is Maven Surefire plugin which is responsible for the test cases execution. So what happens actually, it will pick the test cases that are the part of your testng.xml file and it will execute all the test cases from the same file. Okay, so let's move next. Okay, so here what are the Maven commands? So there are three Maven commands. First one is the ambient clean. So it basically deletes temporary files, or we can say that it is basically cleans your project. Okay, so it is referred that we execute this command before execution of the project. Second one is the ambient compile. So it will let us know in case there are any compilation errors. And the third one is the ambient test. So it will trigger your test cases for the execution. And the key point to be noted here is like even if we are not running this ambient clean or ambient compile, and if we are directly running the ambient test, so even in that case these two commands ambient clean and compile will be executed automatically in the background. Okay, so now let's see how we will do the things practically. Okay, so first we will see how we will integrate the Maven Surefire plugin with the testng. Okay, so for that we need to go to this URL. Okay, so I have already opened it. Okay, so this is the URL and it is clearly written here like using suite XML files. So basically you can see here like they have given us the reference of the testng.xml file. So what you need to do, you need to copy this section plugin. Okay, and open the pom.xml file in your project. Okay, now go to the plugin section. So you can see it like this is the plugin section. Okay, and you can copy your code here. Okay, and simply control S. Okay, so that all the dependencies get saved and that this particular code for the Maven Surefire is also saved successfully. Okay, now I will see like how many test cases I have. Okay, I have the two test cases here. So first one is the Amazon test. So as the part of this, I am basically launching this amazon.com and getting the title of the same and printing it. Okay, and this is another test case that is related with the Flipkart launch. Okay, so here I also launching the flipkart.com and getting the title of homepage. Great. Okay, so now I will convert this project and project to the testng.xml file. So simply select the project. Okay, testng and convert to testng. Okay, simply click on finish button. So you can see like one testng.xml file is generated. So now you can see like the testng.xml file, it is given here. So this code will basically pick this testng.xml file, and the part of this testng.xml we can see like there are two test cases. Okay, so that are the Amazon test. Okay, and so another one is a Flipkart test. Okay, so ideally these two test cases should be executed as the part of execution. So first we will see how we can execute the test cases with the help of this pom.xml file. Okay, and then we will see how we can execute the test cases with the command line. Okay, so let's select the pom.xml file. Okay, and you can see like in the run as there are a couple of options are coming like ambient, Maven build, Maven clean, Maven install and Maven test. Okay, so we can directly run on the ambient clean. So basically it will clean your project. Okay, now we have the two options. So you can directly use the install or the test. So basically it is always recommended that we use the maven install. So it will download all kind of the dependencies in case if they are missing. Okay, and along with that it will trigger the test cases execution as well. Okay, so I will just click the maven install. So ideally it should launch the browser for 2 times, and first time it will launch the amazon.com, and in the second case it will open the flipkart.com. Okay, so okay, you can see like both time browser has opened, and it launched the amazon and flipkart successfully. Okay guys, so this is the way, with the help of this pom.xml file you can execute our test cases. Okay, now I will show you how you can execute your test cases with the help of command line. So for that what you need to do, you need to simply select the project properties. Okay, go to this path where your project is placed. Okay, now we can type the cmd. Okay, so basically we reach to the path where our project is located. Now I will write the ambn clean. Okay, so it will clean the project. Okay, the next will be ambient compile, so it will give me any compilation error. Okay, and so the next is ambient test, so I will simply write ambient test. So again it will execute my 2 test cases. Okay, so you can see like it is launch the browser. Okay, first it will launch the amazon, and second test case it for the flipkart, so it will launch the flipkart. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I have covered all the topics which I have mentioned here. So we have seen the maven surefire plugin integration, pom.xml file test cases execution, and the test cases execution by the maven commands as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.